Hey, fourth grade friends, you are with Miss Floyd today. While our friends are taking math today, you all will be watching a video recorded lesson for math today. We will be focusing on 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. We are first going to watch a short video and then we will do some practice with Miss Floyd.
Let's multiply 9 times 8,000, 8,085. That should be a pretty fun little calculation to do. So like always, let's just rewrite this. So I'm going to write the 8,085. I'm going to write the 9 right below it, write our little multiplication symbol. And now we're ready to compute. So first, we can tackle 9 times 5. Well, we know that 9 times 5 is 45. We can write the 5 in the ones place and carry the 4 to the tens place. So 9 times 5 is 45. Now we're ready to move on to 9 times 8. And we're going to calculate 9 times 8 and then add the 4 that we just carried. So 9 times 8 is 72. Plus the 4 is 76. So we'll write the 6 right here in the tens place and carry the 7. Now we are ready to calculate, and I'm looking for a suitable color, 9 times 0, 9 times 0 hundreds plus, and this is a 7 in the hundreds place, so that's actually 700, or if we're just kind of going with the computation, 9 times 0 plus 7. Well, 9 times 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7. And then finally, we have, once again, I'm looking for a suitable color, 9 times 8. 9 times 8, this is the last thing we have to compute. We already know that 9 times 8 is 72, and we just write the 72 right down here. And we're done. 8,085 times 9 is 72,765. Let's do one more example just to make sure that this is really clear in your brain, at least the process for doing this. And I also want you to think about why this works. So let's try 7 times 5,396. And I encourage you to pause it and try it on your own as well. Well, 5,000, I'm going to rewrite it, 5,396 times 7. First, we'll think about what 7 times 6 is. We know that's 42. Put the 2 in the ones place. 4 we will carry. Then we need to concern ourselves with 7 times 9, but then we have to calculate that and then add the 4. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4 is 67. So we put the 7 down here and carry the 6. Then we have to worry about 7 times 3 plus this 6 that we had just finished carrying. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is 27. So we'll write the 7 here in the hundreds place and carry the 2. And then finally, we have 7 times 5, which is 35, but we have to add the 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. So 5,396 times 7 is 37,772.
All right, friends, now that we have a little bit of help from Khan Academy, we will look at doing some whiteboard practice. All right, if I pull up my document camera right here. All right, friends, so we should have, let's try this on your whiteboard first. All right, guys. I'm so sorry for that delay. I wanted to make sure it was still working. All right, guys. So our first step that we are going to do, we are going to multiply our digit by the ones place. We always start multiplying by the ones and working our way towards the thousands. So I'm going to ask myself, 7 times 6, that is 42. And I'm going to carry my 4. Now I'm going to look at what 7 times 8 is. 7 times 8 is 56, but I have to add my 4, which would be 60. And I have to carry my 6. Then I have to ask myself, what is 7 times 5? Well, 7 times 5 is 30, but then 35, but I still have to add my 6. 35 plus 6 is 41. I'm going to put down my 4 and put down my 1 and carry my 4. So now I have to look at what 7 times 2 is. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. And I cannot forget my comma. So 2,586 multiplied by 7 is 18,102. All right, my friends. So our next problem that we have is 3,253 multiplied by 4. Again, we are going to start at our ones place and work towards the thousands place. I'm going to say 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to put down my 2, carry my 1. 4 times 5 is 20, but I cannot forget to add my 1, which is 21. I'm going to put down my 1 and carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, but I can't forget to add. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to put down my 0 and carry my 1. And then 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. But again, I cannot forget my comma. All right, guys, we will do a couple more, and then I will send you on your way to do your exit slip. So our next problem is 1,343 multiplied by 5. If you can work your problem out like this, that is impressive. Miss Floyd can't do this. So if I see a problem written like this, I know in my head that I have to rewrite it. I'm going to rewrite it in stacked form. I'm going to say 1,343 multiplied by 5. All right. 5 times 3, I know that is 15. I'm going to carry my 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Carry my 2. 5 times 3 is 15 again, but we have to add our 2, which is 17. Carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So 1,343 multiplied by 5 is 6,715. All right, guys, we will do one more problem. Our next problem is 3,610 multiplied by 9. All right. Again, we're going to start at the ones place and work towards the thousands place. So for this one, I'm going to ask myself, 9 times 0. Well, 9 times 0 is 0. I don't have to carry anything. 9 times 1 is 9. Again, I don't have to carry anything. 9 times 6 is 54. I'm going to put down my 4 and carry my 5. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5 is 32. And I cannot forget my comma. All right, guys, you all may go and do your exit slip on Google Classroom. Good luck, friends.